Hello students, welcome to EDGA online class Unit 4 Day 7. Okay, today we will look at the topic at your family. Okay, today we will learn at your family. Okay, now look at the word cat. Cat. What is the word? Cat. Okay, now find the beginning sound k. Okay, middle a, end b, k a b, cat. What is the word? Cat. K a b, cat. Okay, see that next one. Dad. Next one, dad. Beginning d, middle a, end b. Okay, d a b, dad. D a b. Okay, dad. Okay, now look at the slide. Okay, the first one, cat, dad. Cat, dad. Okay, see the next one. Next one, lab, cat. Lab, cat. Okay, now look at the book. Lab. Next one, cat. What is the beginning sound in this word? First one, lab. L. Middle, a. End, b. L, a, b. L, a, b. Lab. What is the word? Lab. Next, see the cat. Next word, cat. See this? Find out. Find the beginning sound k. Next, middle a. End b. Okay. K a b. K a b. Cat. What is the word? Cat. Is that clear? Now look at this slide. See the third one. Okay. What do you see in the third one? Tab. Do you know tab? It's small size with mobile phone. Tab கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கியா? சரி இது ஃபோனை விட கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கும். ஓகே? சரி இது ஃபோனை விட கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கும். Tab. Okay? Now look at the book. Tab. Tab. Fab. Tab. Fab. Find the beginning. This is beginning. T. Middle. A. End. B. T. A. B. Tab. Tab. A. B. Tab. Next. Fab. What is the word? Fab. Now find the beginning. Middle. A. End. B. A. B. Fab. A. B. Fab. What is the word? Fab. Is it clear? Now go to the fourth one. See the fourth one. See the fourth one. Zap. See the picture. Fourth one. Zap. Nap. Zap. Nap. Okay. Now look at the board. What is the fourth one? Zap. Nap. Okay. The first word. Zap. What is the beginning sound? Z. J. Middle. A. End. B. J. A. B. Jab. Jab. A. B. Jab. Next one. Nap. Next one. Nap. Beginning. N. Middle. A. End. B. N. A. B. N. A. B. Nap. What is the word? Nap. N. A. B. Nap. Okay. Now look at the slide, students. Okay. The first one, cat, tab. Next one, lab, cat. cab. Next one, tag, fab. Tag, fab. Next one, zag, nag. Is it clear? Zag, nag. Next, see the sentences. Now I read the sentences. You can follow me. Use with your finger. Is it clear? Listen carefully. Read the sentences below. Read the sentences below. See the first sentence. Get in the cab. Get in the cab. See the second sentence. She is in the lab. She is in the lab. Third one. I have a tag. I have a tag. Fourth one. You look fat. You look fat. Fifth one. The lad is in the cab. The lad is in the cab. Is that clear? Once again, read the sentences below. First sentence, get in the cab. She is in the lab. Second one, she is in the lab. Third one, I have a tag. I have a tag. Fourth one, you look fat. You look fat. Fifth one, the lad is in the cab. The lad is in the cab. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Okay. Take a worksheet book, students. Worksheet 10. Page number 93. Okay. Take a worksheet. Take soon. Now look at the board. Okay. Circle all the words with N sounds you hear. Okay. Circle all words with N sound. With N sound. Okay. N sound. N sound. See the first one. A. First one. Yet. Net. Then. Lot. Okay. Yet. Net. Then. Lot. See this. Now I say the N sound. Listen carefully. Now I say one N sound. Next you have find the words and you have to practice yourself and find the N sound. Okay. Now I say the N sound. T. Okay. T. See the first word. Yet. What is the beginning sound? Y. Middle A. N sound T. This word have N sound T. Yes or no? Yes, this word have N sound T. So you can circle this word. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Next one, net. Okay, the beginning sound middle A. N T. This word have N sound T. Yes, this word have N sound T. So you can circle this word. Okay. See the next one. Then. Beginning D. Middle A. N. In. This word have N sound T. Yes or no? No. This word don't have N sound T. So don't circle it. See the last word, lot. Yes. So you can circle it. Is that clear? Now go to the B1. Leg, heart, pin, wag. Okay. Now I say the end sound the. Okay. The. Say the first word leg. What is the word? Leg. Beginning l. Middle a. End the. This word have end sound the. Yes. So you can circle it. Next hot. What is the word? Hot. Beginning k. Middle a. End the. This word have end sound the. Yes. You can circle it. Okay. See the third one. Fin. Sorry. Fin. Beginning. Middle e. End in. This word have end sound the. No, this word don't have end sound the. So you don't touch the word. See the fourth one. Wag. What is the word? Wag. Beginning v. Middle a. End the. This word have end sound the. Yes. So you can circle it. Is that clear? Now go to the C1. Van. Jam. Gun. Tan. Tan. Okay. Now I say the end sound in. What is the end sound? In. Okay. See the first word. Van. This word. Van. Beginning. Middle a. End in. This word have end sound in. Yes, you can circle it. Next one, jam. Beginning j. Middle a. End im. This word don't have end sound in. So don't circle it. Don't. Beginning t. Middle a. End in. This word have end sound in. Yes, you can circle it. Next tan. Next word tan. Beginning t. Middle a. End in. This word have end sound in. Yes, you can circle it. Is that clear? This is your homework. Okay. Try at your home. Now here is the board. Okay. Now see the second one. Okay. Circle all the words with the middle sound. You hear students. This is worksheet 10. Yes or no? Yes. See the question number 2. Circle all the words with middle sound. Before we saw end sound. Now we see middle sound. Okay. Now see the first one. Here. Get. Red. Fat. Men. Okay. Men. Now I say the middle sound. Yeah. Okay. A. See the first one. Get. This word get. What is the beginning sound? K. Middle A. N. T. This word have middle sound A. Yes. So you can circle it. Next, break. Beginning ir. Middle A. N. D. This word have middle sound A. Yes. You can circle it. Next, fad. Beginning if. Middle A. N. D. This word have middle sound A. No. So don't circle it. Next, many. Beginning M. Middle A. N. In. This word have middle sound A. So you can circle it. Next, see the B1. Cat, can, lad, got. Lad, got. Now I say the middle sound A. Sorry, A. Okay? A. See the first word, fat. Beginning, middle, A, N, T. This word have middle sound A. Yes. So you can circle it. Next, can. This word have can. Middle sound A. Yes. You can circle it. Next, lad. Beginning, middle, A. End, T. This word have middle sound A. Yes, you can circle it. Next, K. Got. Sorry, got. Beginning, G. Middle, A. N. T. This word don't have middle sound A. So don't circle it. See the third one. Rod, fin, God, son. Now I say the middle A. That is the sound A. See the first one, Ra. Beginning R. Middle A. N. T. This word have middle sound A. So you can circle it. Next, fin. Beginning if. Middle E. N. In. This word don't have N sound, sorry, middle sound A. So don't circle it. See the third one. Beginning K. Middle A. N. T. This word have middle sound A. So you can circle it. Next, sun. Beginning S. Middle A. N. In. This word have middle sound A. So you can circle it. Okay. Once again, this is your homework, students. Try at your home. Okay. Now I erase the board. Okay. Now go to the next situation. What is the next situation? Whole words. Okay. Now look at the slide. Next one, whole words. Till we learnt 5 whole words. First one, many. Second one, she. Third one, wants. Fourth one, goes. Fifth one, to. See the next slide. Okay, this is your activity. Whole words. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. Yes or no? Yes. In this slide, you have seen many sentences here. Above the sentences, box with words written. Okay. look at the sentences and mark the words in the box. Okay, next find the words from the box in the sentences and you can color the same color. Is that clear? Now look at the board and same page, take a worksheet 93, worksheet 10. See the third question. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. Now look at the board. The first one. Many, she, wants, who. See the first sentence. I have many toys. Okay, I have many toys. See the sentence carefully, students. Do you see any words from the box in this sentence? Do you see any words from the box in this sentence? Which word? Many. Yes. Keep your worksheet in your hand. Okay? Many. See the worksheet book. Which color? Many. Which color, ma? Red color. So you can color it red. I don't have red color, so I color pink. Many. Is that clear? You can color red. Now go to the next sentence. She goes to her house. Do you see any word from the box? Yes, goes. Which word? Goes. Goes which color? Green color. Goes green color. So you can color it green. You can color it green. See the third one. I have a brother too. Do you see any word in this sentence from the box? Two which color? Pink. Which color? Pink. You can color it pink. Is that clear? Now go to the fourth one. What does she do? Do you see any word in this sentence? She. Which word? She. She which color? Blue color. Which color? Blue color. You can color blue. You can color it blue. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Now see the E one. Rani wants to eat a mango. Do you see any word in this sentence? Yes, which word? Wants. Wants which color, ma? See the boxes? Wants yellow color. Wants yellow color. So you can color it yellow. You can color it yellow. Now go to the F one. Raj has many friends. Do you see any word in this sentence? Yes, that word is many. Okay, so you can see the boxes. Many, which color? Red color. You can color it red. See the G1. It is too hard. It is too hard. Do you see any word in this sentence? Which word? Too. Too. Too which color? Pink. You can color it pink. I have many maps. Do you see any word? Yes, many. Many which color? Red. You can color it red. Next J1. Rita wants J1. Rita wants black pen. Do you see any word? Wants. Which color? Yellow color. So you can color yellow. Is that clear? This is your homework also. Okay, page number 93 and worksheet 10 your homework. Now look at the slide. Okay, note down this. This is your home. Now go to the next one. Okay, settings. Already we learnt in the previous class. What is setting? The settings where the story takes place. Where the story takes example. For example, in the story, be friends with a tree in the different settings. Yes or no? Yes, the settings are forest, park, playground and etc. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. Now go to the next session, reading comprehension. Already we read the story Be Friends with a Tree many times. Yes or no? Yes. Once again, now I read the story. You can follow me and ask question also. You can listen the story carefully. Okay. What is the title of the story, students? Be Friends with a Tree. What is the title of the story? Be Friends with a Tree. Who is the author? Komal Ramchandani. Komal Ramchandani. Illustrations by Higdi Bedha. Okay. Now go to the first page. Sujata has many tree friends. Sujata has many tree friends. Okay. Who is the character in this story? Who is the character in this story? Find it. Yes, only one character, Sujata. Who is the character in this story? Sujata. What is the title of the story? Be Friends with a Tree. Who is the author in this story? Komal Ramchandani. Is it clear? Now go to the second page. Okay. When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. when she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. See the third page. When she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. See the fourth page. When she wants to climb, she goes to a tree. When she wants to rest, she goes to a tree. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. Okay. Now ask the one question. Okay. Listen carefully. When does Sujata go to a tree? Okay. When does Sujata go to a tree? Now check the answer. When she wants to swing. Next, when she wants to eat fruits. When she wants to climb. Next, when she wants to rest. Next, when she wants to think, she goes to a tree. This is the answer. Next, you can be friends with a tree too. You can be friends with a tree. Okay, listen carefully. Would you like to be friends with a tree? Nee tree kuda friends ah irukka virumburiya? This is your own business. Okay, is that clear? I hope all are understood the story. Yes, now go to the next one. Next, go to the vocabulary words. From this story, be friends with a tree. Swing. Swing means what? Already I told in the previous class. Swing means unjaladu. Swing. Next, climb. Climb means what? Air. Climb means air. See that next one. Think. Think. யோசிக்கிறது. Next, rest. Rest means ஓய்வு எடுக்கிறது. Next, we learnt one and many. Already we learnt in the previous class. One time we recap this. We add an s at the end to name more than one thing. More than one thing. We add an s. Listen carefully. We add an s at the end to name more than one thing. First, see the examples. One apple, 4 apples. 1 apple, 4 apple. Sorry, 4 apples. 1 tree, 3 trees. 1 boy, 2 boys. 1 boy, 2 boys. See the next slide. Circle the correct naming words for each picture. Already we seen in the previous class. Okay, one time we look at this. Circle the correct naming word for each picture. Students, now take your worksheet book, page number 92. See worksheet 9. Okay, now look at the word. Circle the correct naming word for each picture. First one, insect, insects. Insects. How many insects have you seen in this picture? First one, only one. So this is insect or insects. Insect, only one. So you can circle insect. Is that clear? Now see the second one, mat, mats. second picture. Do you see in the second picture? How many mats? 3. This is one or many? Many, because mats, plural form. So you can circle mats. Is that clear? Now see the third one. Key, keys. Key, keys. How many keys are there in this picture? I think 5. So this is key or keys. One or many? Many. So this is plural. So you can circle it keys. Is it clear? Now see the next one. Girl, girls. How many girls? 4 girls. So you can circle girls, plural. Girl, girls. So you can circle girls. Is it clear? Next one, engine or and engines. How many engines do you see in this picture? Only one engine. So this is engine or engines. This is only one. So you can circle engine. Only one. Next, cab, cabs. How many cabs? Only one cab. So you can circle cab. Cab, cabs. Is it clear? Next, see the third. Beer, beers. How many beers? 3. So this is plural. Beer or beers? Beers. Beers. So you can circle beers, plural. Is it clear? Next, car. Cars. How many cars? There are 3 cars. So this is car or cars. Cars, plural. So you can circle it cars. Next, bag, bags. Bag, bags. How many bags? Only one bag. So you can circle bag. Is that clear? This is your homework also. Now look at the slide. See the next slide. Okay. Make each word many by adding at the end. Okay. Now look at your worksheet. Same page. Okay. Worksheet 9. See the first one. They given singular form. You have to write plural form. Many. Okay. Dog. This is one. This is many. Dog. Dogs. This is plural form. Many. Dogs. Next. Kite. Kites. Kites. Okay. Kites. Lemon. Lemons. Lemon. Lemons. This is plural form. Is it clear? Now go to the next one. Students, today class, the phonics session, we learnt app word family and whole word session. We saw some examples using the whole words. Next, we read the story Be Friends with a Tree and learnt 4 vocabulary words, and in the grammar part we learnt one and many and using more examples, and we recap some student, and we also recap previous class. Okay, I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, thank you students. Thank you. Take care.